Hello. Hey, hey.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just out front. I just thought I'd start my watering and thought I'd give you a shot of the birds. I've only got two 28s up in the tree at the moment, so I'll try and get a close-up for you if I can. So if you just bear with me, I'll just get a shot of them. Okay, this is the big tree that they usually sit in. It's a bit half dead, I suppose. So I'll just try and zoom in. Not sure if you can see. There's two 28s, or part of the Rosella family, up in the tree there. We've got, oh no, we've got three there now. And there's the other one. If I just swing around, excuse the sky, there's also three up on the TV antenna. As you can see, they're quite noisy buggers. Now we've just had a pigeon land in there too, but no sign of any maggies or anything at the moment. So that's some of the birds that we get here. See if there's any more around. One up on there. He's right down in the fork of it. So, and we usually get some in this tree here, although it's very hard to spot them in this tree unless they fly out of it. So I know that there's a couple in there, I just can't spot them. But this big tree here, there's always birds in it. Always. No matter what time of the year. There's one up there, but I just can't see him. So just give me a sec. Not too sure if you can see, but I can just see their tails. There's one of them. Whoopsie, see him? There's two of them. Now I'm not too sure if you can see, but oh damn, he flew off. But we did have a pink and grey up there too. We've now got quite, as you can see, where'd the other one go? One there, there's two, three, one up there, and four pigeons up in our tree now. Just waiting to see if any more birds come so I can put it on film. I've just had another two of the 28s fly back into the tree. Now I'm not too sure if you can see, but right in that middle branch is a little mudlark. The little black and white ones, and another one over there. Where else? Oh, and there's about three up there. Small little mudlarks. Then you got our 28s in there, which is over there. And that lump there that's moving are the pigeons. So there's some of our birds that come and sit in this big old tree here out the front. So when we don't have Bonnie in the car wanting to come in, we have a sister that sits on top of the camper. Whoop. Oh, and there she gets. Okay, so that was just a short video to show you the birds that we have around the place. little Miss Dusty, who likes to sit up on top of the van. Not in, she does get in the van, but not while it's moving like Bonnie does. So yeah, just another update to the little dolphin that had the fishing line around him. Has also had had to remove a big clunk of seaweed today. It was covering his blowhole, so they removed that. They're just monitoring him because of the marks he's managed to get from the fishing line. And so far he's doing pretty good, so that's good to see. So I'm just going to end my video here now. And I'll catch you next time on my next video. So take care, stay safe, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. Press the bell, and I'll see you next time in my next video. So bye for now.